Hi guys, today is another video, part 2, how to find the leaking tire. So, as I mentioned in my first video, this tire is gonna be replaced on this Saturday, finally. But TPMS light is on the dash, so it means we have a leak somewhere. I know it's a
Shredded tire. Shredded tire.
I know it's a front tire, passenger side. So I already kind of found the leak. Just because it's gonna takes time to rotate the car. But the good idea is to turn the wheel to the right and kind of move car forward and spray with soapy water to see where it's coming from. All right, so I show you when you have a setup like this. When you have a setup, just a little bit further. When you have a setup like this, you basically spraying with soapy water tire, and now you're gonna observe where is bubble coming from. Right? So right there, see, leak is coming from over here, so at some point probably you had a nail there or screw. So what you're gonna do, same idea as in video number 1. Oh, we have a little bit of rain, which is good.
How is it good? I don't find it
Because
so
rain
well.
always good. So basically, you go there and you kind of wiggle. So that's where your hole is, and you're gonna use this amazing tool, right? You just have to push harder now. So what you do, you go like this, right there, right? Now you're gonna go back and forth again, clean it. Okay, now we have to do quick because it's rain. So go like this. You
Put it right through the middle.
You feed this through. You feed this through. Okay, somewhere in the middle. Then you grab a glue. You have to work very fast. And if you buy this kit and keep it in your car, so it's gonna cost you maybe $15 total Canadian, but you can do repair anytime on the road. Anytime. Just wanna spread this glue a little bit
Better.
a little bit better, yeah. Let's put more. Don't be shy with glue, right, Zach?
I don't know. Sure, I guess.
So yes. By the way, guys, shortly after this, we're gonna adjust tire pressure on both sides. So follow the manufacturer specification. The numbers is in the door frame. So make sure you adjust the tire pressure. I didn't do in my first video because I'm doing on another side, which is this one, and I can do together, which is it's called efficiency. All right. So let's do it. Right.
It's raining.
It's raining.
It's raining.
Okay,
it's
I'm pulling, and I'm sticking this back in, and keeping my hand just to protect from going through too far. Just like this. Okay. Now you have to pull harder back. That's it. Done. And then that's usually Zach's job
But
to cut it out. You just, but it's hard. It's a hard rope. You just snip it. And that's it. That's all. So now I'm gonna just wait a second, Zach.
I'm gonna go.
I'm gonna adjust tire pressure. Okay. Okay. We have a gauge here. So we're gonna put 36. So when you adjust tire pressure, you're good to go. Please like and subscribe to my channel. It will help my videos to move forward. All right. Thank you very much, guys, and see you shortly.